Hello everyone, this is Gaurav for you. In the previous video, we have talked about how to create form using HTML. In that, we have used name part and password part. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create options with the help of HTML. So let's get started. Many of you have seen that while facing a particular exam, say if we are saying about JEE, if you are here, that means most of you are in colleges, and if you are in colleges, you have just passed JEE part. So if you are past the JEE, that means you have to see about the question pattern in JEE. You will see that there is a particular question and there is a particular 4 answers in which you have to select one of them. I am just showing you kind. So here you can see that there is first the question, and at that you have 4 options for that in which you have to select one of them. So how can we create it with the help of HTML? It is very easy. I am going to show you. Suppose our question is light year a time? The favorite one. Now I'm just using BR tag. After that, let the first question options be yes. Now I'm using it. How to make it option? The main thing you have to see here. We just have to use input. In that you have to use type. In type part you have to use radio because it is to be radiated. In the name part you have to use the thing that you're gonna implement in the name part. It should be implemented in all for or every options that you're gonna use here. Suppose I'm writing here Gaurav and just closing it. After that you have to use value. You didn't have to worry about it. In the previous video I have said that it is for good practice. We're gonna use it in the PHP. Now just close it. After that you have to just copy and paste it because it is killing the time. Now let the second option be no, and consequently let the third option be the favorite one. Say none of the above, and the fourth options be all of these. Now after doing this, just save it using Ctrl S. Okay, now we have done one mistake here. We have not closed the body tag, and even we have don't close the HTML tag. So I'm just closing it. My bad. Now I'm saving it, Ctrl S, and I'm going to the browser part. And just I'm refreshing the page, and you will see that there is a question is light year a time. After that we have 4 options. Either we can select yes, or either we can select no, either we can select none of these, or we can select all of these. Now many of you have given the JEE exam. You will see about you have been qualified in that. You have to appear in the advanced part, and in advanced part you will see that there is one and more options selected to be selected, means there is more than one select part. How to create that part using HTML? But that is also very easy. In that radio part you just have to write checkbox. Now just change radio to checkbox and see the magic. HTML is just like a magic, but the thing is that you just have to implement it. How to use it, you know. The thing is that only just save it, checkbox, and save it, Ctrl S. Now go to the browser part and refresh it. Hey browser, just make this button the checkbox, and the checkbox is ready. You can use any of that. Oh, that 4 option is correct, all of these. In this way you're gonna use it. Now I'm going to show you something. I'm just clicking in edit part. You will see that a series of options has been opened. Can we do that using HTML? Yes, we can do that. How we can do that? I'm just clearing all this thing. And show you how to create that. Suppose I have to select a particular part from suppose I have to select a gender part. Suppose a person is asked that of which gender he or she is. So let's get started. You just use select. In that select, sorry, it is the tag. I'm just forget to mention that, my bad. Select. After that you have to use option tag. In that option tag you simply write your option. I'm saying that male. I'm selecting the options, or it is better to write here select your gender. And just use BR tag. Now after that option 1 is male, suppose I'm just copying it. Now option 2 is the female, and I'm saving Control S, and I'm going to the browser part and see how it is going to work. I'm just refreshing it. You will see that select your gender and a beautiful button type is created. Select either of that, male or female. So in this way you're gonna see that if you use select part, you will be able to create a particular label tag type, label thing type. Suppose you are able to select in this manner. So you in this video you have seen about mainly about how to select a particular options and something like that. Here we have done one mistake, my bad. If you are using select tag, you have also used to close it. I had not closed it, but it had worked because we are not dealing with that close. So after that, one more thing is going to be implemented here, which I'm gonna tell you. After that, if you are able to select something, you are able to choose something. Now can we implement a particular calendar to a particular, if in a particular form we are asked to give the DOB of a particular thing. Suppose my name is Gaurav. I had asked by someone on any website that give your DOB. How it can be done? It is very easy to done. Just write here DOB, or if you use label tag, that is cool. I'm just copying it here from. Just pasting here, Control B, and I'm just writing DOB. In that part for DOB, I'm just writing something input. In that input, in that, so for creating DOB, you just write input, and at part type part, you just write type, and that you just mention date, and then you just write ID attribute because we have used for, and the thing which you're gonna write on for, you have to write there, and then you have to use name and value, and just see what the magic had created. Just save its Control S, go to your browser part and just refresh it. You will see that when you click here, a calendar is open by its own. So in this way, in this video we have seen about how to select something, how to choose an option, and how to create DOB. So at this we came to end. Please subscribe our channel, like our video, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you everyone.